In this video, we'll learn how to mark peaks and passes on the map of India. Now, two things should be kept in mind. Number one, labeling should be done with black ball pen and in bold and capital letters. And secondly, and most importantly, because the peaks and passes are small features, therefore they should be very accurately marked. That means there should be no deviation from their original place. You should know the exact place where they are located. Now, let's begin with peaks. Now, as you can see, we have two peaks over here. Your ICSE class 10th expects you to know how to mark two peaks, Mount Goodwin Austen and Mount Kanchenjunga, and two passes, the Karakoram Pass and the Nathula Pass. Now I have marked the peaks, but I have not marked the passes. That is because I will mark them in the video itself so that you may know exactly where they have to be marked. Now let's come to peaks. Peaks have to be marked with a brown sharp color pencil and a triangle has to be made. So you have to draw a small triangle with a sharp brown color pencil. You may also use a normal lead pencil if you do not have a brown color pencil to mark the peaks. And then you have to locate them at the exact place where they should be. Now let's come to the first one, that is Mount Goodwin Austen, which is the second highest peak of the Himalayas and in the world, and the first highest peak in India, because Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is in Nepal. So let's come to Mount Goodwin Austen. It is in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now as you can see, it is near the northernmost border of India. This is the northernmost border of India in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now you can see that this border is forming a rough V. As you can see here, it is forming a rough V. Now on the left hand side of the V you have the peak. So you leave a little space where a line can fit and then make the peak, draw the triangle. You can see that the triangle is neither very big nor very small. You should not draw a very big triangle because it's going to move out of place. It should be limited, and you can see over here there's a small dot right beside it. I have made the triangle. So this is going to be your Mount Goodwin Austen, which is also known as K2. Now let's come to the Karakoram Pass. Now remember two things. Number one, the peaks and the passes are in pairs. That means we have one pair of peak and pass here, and we have the second pair of peak and pass over here. And the second thing is that you have to be very, very accurate in marking these. Now let's come to the first pair. We have already discussed how to mark the peak. Now let's see how to mark the pass. And remember, in both the pairs, the peaks are on the west and the passes are on the east in both the pairs. So here we have the Karakoram Pass. Now this is the V, as I told you. On this side we have the Karakoram Pass. Exactly where? Let's enlarge and see it. Now you can see this portion. Over here I'm going to make a small pass. Now please pay attention how the pass is being made. It should not be very big. So here you can see that I have made the pass. You can make the pass with a pencil, a sharp pencil or a red pen also. Right. Now let's come to the second pair of peak and pass. Now here again let's enlarge it. Here you have the state of Sikkim. This is the state of Sikkim. Over here on the east of Sikkim we have Bhutan, and on the west we have Nepal. And between Nepal and Bhutan we have the state of Sikkim in India. So you can see that Mount Kanchenjunga is over here on the western border of Sikkim, that is the border with Nepal. You have Sikkim. So here you're going to take the border of Sikkim, joins Bhutan over here. Right over here you have, joining this border, you have the peak of Mount Kanchenjunga. And on this side we have the Nathula Pass. Now Nathula Pass is a passage between India and China. So you have this passage over here, a gap over here in the mountains. You're going to mark it. See, this boundary of Sikkim or India is touching Bhutan, and you have to make sure that the pass is between India and China, not Bhutan. So you're going to keep in mind that the pass does not enter Bhutan. I'm going to make two parallel lines and make a pass. Right? So you can see the pass over here. Again, you can use a pencil or a red pen to mark this pass. It is near the border of Bhutan. So it is very near the border of Bhutan, where the border of Sikkim or India is joining or touching the border of Bhutan. There you are going to mark the Nathula Pass. Right? Now children, what is a pass? A pass is a gap or a break in a mountain which is used for navigation purpose, right? So these are passes. I hope you have been able to understand how to mark the peaks and the passes. If you found this video useful, please like and share it. Thank you.